Hey everybody, welcome to this tutorial on Dirga breath. So this is one of our pranayama techniques, and it's found on page 150 of your manual. All right, so three-part breath or Dirga breathing is great because it's going to slow down the breath. It's going to really focus on the three sections of the breathing apparatus, and it's a really common one to get people to use, especially to get people at the beginning of class, to get them to focus on the here and now. Okay, so letting all the air out, bringing your attention down deep into the belly, inhaling and exhaling there. Okay, so allowing the low ribs in the belly to expand on the inhale and soften and contract on the exhale. Taking this breath beautiful and deep. And now adding in the ribs. Inhale deep. Next, inhale and expand into the ribs. Exhaling in the ribs. Exhaling in the belly. Inhale in the belly. Inhale in the ribs. Exhale in the ribs. Exhale in the belly. Again. Inhale belly. Inhale ribs. Exhaling ribs. Exhaling belly. Adding in the clavicles. Inhale belly. Inhale ribs. Then inhale all the way up to the collarbones. Exhaling collarbones. Ribs. Inhale low, medium, high, exhaling from the top, through the middle, to the bottom. A few more rounds like that. One more deep breath from the belly, through the ribs, up to those collarbones. Exhaling from the top, all the way to the bottom. Nice. And then return to a natural breathing pattern. Beautiful. And there you have Dirga Pranayama, or three-part breath. Right? Let me know how that goes, how it felt. I know for many people it really slows down the breath and they become very aware of the different stages of the breath and getting a full, deep, complete breath. This is also a diaphragmatic breathing exercise as we really focus on using the diaphragm and expanding it and allowing everything below those belly and the ribs to flare out on that inhale. So it's a great breath technique for working with the diaphragm. All right. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. See you next time. Namaste.